Okay, today I'm unboxing something game-changing for marketers. Say hello to AahSheet, AI-powered SEO content automation via Google Sheets. Let's check out what's inside and how it actually works. First impression, clean interface, simple Google Sheets setup. No complicated onboarding, just open the sheet and start. You instantly notice the AI integration tabs, very intuitive. Let's try creating an SEO blog outline. Type your topic here. Watch as the AI generates a full outline in seconds. That's fast. No more blank page anxiety for me. Next, I'll scale up social media posts. Let's see. Paste your product name, select a platform, and boom. AI spits out multiple social captions tailored for each channel. Huge time saver, especially for small businesses or solo creators. The best part? It's all inside Google Sheets, no extra logins. You can collaborate with your team right in the doc. Let's test bulk content generation. Input a list of keywords. AahSheet creates unique SEO titles for each keyword instantly. I'm honestly impressed by the speed and accuracy here. It even suggests meta descriptions and hashtags automatically. Integration is seamless. No coding, no technical headaches. If you're a digital marketer, this will save hours weekly. Content creators, you'll love the instant idea generation. Small business owners, this helps you stay consistent online. Now let's talk about the deal. AahSheet is on AppSumo. You get lifetime access for a fraction of the usual price. Honestly, it's rare to find this much value bundled. My only warning, you need a Google account to use it. Ready to automate your SEO and social content? Grab AahSheet on AppSumo before the deal ends. I'm adding this to my daily workflow. Highly recommend. Check the link below for the best deal today. That's my review. Let me know your thoughts and comments.